Hello everybody! I am sharing this video with you because this week I found some really good Google Chrome extensions and I recorded a video explaining how to use them, but I recorded in Portuguese. So now I'm going to tell you in English because it might be really helpful to save some time and to make your life easier during this online learning time. Okay? So the first extension that I want to share with you is really good if you teach English and Portuguese or a language, any other language, because it allows you to feedback your students' recording and audio, all right? So this extension is called Mode, Voice Notes and Feedback. Okay, so you just need to type that on your bar and click on the button that will say Add to Google Chrome. It won't take you more than 1 minute. So I will show you how it works. Normally, you send them an activity using your Google Classroom, right? And then they return it to you, and you should receive something more or less like this. What we do here, at least in the Portuguese department, is to mark their activity and also leave them a comment writing inside this box over here. So you can write anything, for example, well done, I don't know, and then you just post, and then the students will receive this feedback, written feedback. Mode allows you to record your feedback, and then the student will receive your voice instead of something that you wrote. So this ball will appear inside the box. You just need to click on it and record the message that you want to send. So for example, well done, Martina. I really enjoyed your pictures. Good job. And you click on done. And then you can actually listen to what you recorded, clicking on that button over here so you can review. Okay, it's loading. So for example, well done, Martina. I really enjoyed your pictures. Good job. And if you want to write something in addition to that, you can write here. Well done. Listen to my feedback. Okay, I don't know. And you post that, the student will receive not only your voice but also the message that you want. Okay, this may save you a lot of time, but is also good to the ones that don't speak English really well, because at least in Portuguese some students understand better when you are talking to them because they can hear you and understand better something that you are talking than when they are reading. Reading maybe is not something that these students really used to, so it might be helpful in these cases, all right? So Mode, voice and nose feedback is the first extension that I want to talk about. The second one is called Web Paint. It makes your website, any website from the internet, it makes it almost like a whiteboard. So for example, I have here a Google Chrome, a Google Classroom page. If I click on the extension here, Web Paint, it shows me a lot of tools that I can use. So for example, I can choose this square and highlight something that I want students to see. This is really useful if you're doing a live call with them, if you want to share your screen with students, if you're showing them a website or maybe a game website or something, you can highlight what you want them to see, and you can also choose this bucket of paint, for example, and block anything that you don't want them to see. These work both ways, so you can do this outside or inside the box. You can also type, so anything that you want on your screen. You can draw arrows, it depends on your artistic abilities, but well, it makes your screen as a whiteboard. If you don't want anything else, you just click here and it comes back to normal, and that's it. I will use this a lot in our live lessons because I need to share my screen with the students most of the times, and I want them to see only what I want them to see. So this is called Web Paint, really easy to install. It looks like this. Okay, these other extensions is for you that likes to create really interactive presentations. It's called Gify. Okay, it brings you animation to your PowerPoints. Gify extensions, and you can use in so many different ways. So if you're talking about geography, for example, you can type for, I don't know, globe, and you bring you a planet spinning and you can drag this to your Google Slides. It will upload the image that moves. Okay, so just 1 second. There you go. There is the link of the website over here. If you don't want it, you just need to click and delete, and there you go. You have the picture moving on your Google presentation. Okay, you can do this to feedback them as well. So you really enjoyed something that they created as a PowerPoint, so you can choose maybe just create and put it over here. It might be better for the younger ones because they might find this cute and funny. And there you go. Okay, just an example. The other one is called Google Grid View. I think Rob already spoke about that. Someone said this in the one of our meetings as well. It allows you to see more than one people, more than one person, more than 12 persons, people. Oh my God, more than 12 people on your live calls if you're using Google Meets. Okay, so if you want to see the students, if they are raising their hands, if they are speaking but the microphone is off, this is really good because you can see all of them, and it's something that Google Meet normally won't show you. Okay, why my is green? My is green because I downloaded a more updated version, I think, and that's why it's not this black one, but this is the extension. Okay, just be aware of the date over here. You can find one more updated. You already know Bitmoji, that you can create your emoji of yourself and use these on your presentations as well. You just need to create an account on Bitmoji website, and you just drag the picture that you want. You create your emoji with how it should look like you or not, and then you can drag this to your presentation as well. Okay, another one that's more for organization is called Google Calendar. It's really good because you can access your agenda only by clicking here. You don't need to access your calendar, and then you can see all the activities and tasks that you need to do on that day. So for example, you have Monday, an activity that should be delivered at 1 o'clock, another one on 1:30, another one on 2 p.m. So you can organize yourself better, and you don't need to open the calendar every time. You can see everything here. Okay? It's more for you to organize yourself. So that's it. Just wanted to share with you. I hope it helps you. And if you have any other ideas, please let me know as well. Okay? Bye bye.